What's going on, guys? It's Drew, your favorite gondolier. Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna get ready to set up the boats tonight. We got a couple anniversaries and I think a marriage proposal. Let's set up the boats, have some fun. Come on. Quick favor I need from you guys, hit that subscribe button. I know you hear it all the time, but it definitely does help us out. Click, let's go.
What are you actually doing?
So right here, I'm cleaning the front of the boat. You know, we like to keep it nice and sparkly. It's usually the harder part to clean. We gotta scale around some boxes, but orange glow and a nice clean white rag works really well.
Testes and olives. He's been here for quite a bit. Let's see how much he remembers and forgot from day one.
You never even gave me a printout that you said. Wait, no.
That is.
Well, I know what I broke.
What is a brass seahorse called?
Well, he got. Wow. Why is I literally
Okay,
walked
the worst
through this
gondolier
every
ever right
day.
now.
No. My brain's been off.
Dylan,
the
we might need you to help.
No.
I want to make sure you guys know. He's worked here for I don't know how long.
Like a little over a year.
I think more than that.
The Pharaoh, the Proud.
Okay, how about you? What are these called?
The Cavalli.
In Italian, it's called a remo, and there's plural, and there's many of them. It's called a remi.
I had someone yesterday who came out. They were like, "Oh, so this is a gondola," and I said, "I'm a gondolier," and so they're like, "Oh, in Italian it must be gondoliera." Oh no.
Weird how many people think we are French, because I think we look like mimes. I get people that think we are part of the dragon boats that China does, or from the Chinese culture. I have no idea why we are wearing this outfit. And then every once in a while,
I just get people yelling, "Ahoy!"
congas or something.
My favorite is when they call us paisanos, because they don't know what it means. But
Yeah,
really
they're calling us
us
peasants. All right, tonight we do have a bunch of cruises. I think we only have 2 group cruises and the rest are all date nights. So, marriage proposals and anniversaries. Get ready, romance. What are you doing? All right, well that was slow. Anyways,
He's my pimp tonight. Wait, no, that doesn't. No.
Wait, oh.
all right, so we're setting up for an anniversary cruise right now. They're back there eating and having some drinks at Amalfi. I don't quite know if it's a surprise or not, if he's setting it up or she set it up for him. But little scalded rose petals never hurt. A little cherry on top.
You named the Swans?
Oh yeah, that is Larry. He's always by himself, and he follows us around on a lot of our cruises. But he kind of comes and goes. Like, this is the first time I've seen him in a while, so enjoy Larry while he lasts, because he's gonna be gone pretty soon.
Oh. Not like he's gonna die, he's gonna like migrate.
Oh, I don't know.
Hi.
Kind of just come. Maybe he's a spirit. I don't know.
Welcome to Black Swan Gondola, guys. Happy anniversary. How many years? 25. 25 years. And how'd you choose it? Your idea or was it your idea?
It was a gift from her sister, my sister-in-law.
All right, well, see, we do gift certificates too, so gift of the century right here. This is for you. You guys go out and get fun cruise. Mike's going to be a gondolier right this way.
Free as a bird in the sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. Feel the beat of your heart. Well, life is a crazy way of turning everything upside down. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round. Don't
That cruise was fun. Time to set up for the next anniversary cruise. You guys, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps us out. See you in the next week's episode of The Gondolier. Ciao for now.